Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Thousands without power after gusty winds pound New Hampshire. Some gusts over 50 miles per hour reported. Thousands of Granite Staters woke up without power Thursday morning after extremely strong winds caused outages across the state. The powerful winds also brought trees and power lines in many spots, particularly in southern and western parts of the state. At the peak, more than 60,000 customers lost power. Crews worked hard overnight to reduce the total, and Eversource said about 8,000 of its customers remained without power by noon Thursday. Some damage was reported, including a downed wire across Auburn Road in Londonderry. In Swansea, Southwest Mutual Aid told WMUR that trees went through a couple of homes. The first incident happened on Highland Circle, where the damage was minimal, but a home on Sawyer's Crossing Road sustained significant damage when a tree crashed into it. There's no word yet whether anyone was hurt. And 4 hours ago, Rockingham Alert posted an update on the power outages. A large majority of outages have been restored from last night's wind damage. A few isolated outages remain at this time. Here is an update list. In Windham, there are 888 customers without power. Candia, 160 customers without power. Derry, 143 customers without power. Deerfield, 3 customers. Epping, 55. Hampstead, 5. Londonderry, 184. Northwood, 54. Newfields, 4. Portsmouth, 6. Salem, 46. That is your update 4 hours ago. And that does it for my afternoon news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your afternoon, and I'll see you back here later on today for the Riley King newscast. Goodbye, everyone.